Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make another sailboat part. So click a front sketch and create it. Now we will make the O-ring using this central point tool. Great. Now we will set up the radius to be approximately 1.5 inches. Or actually it's too much, 1 inch. And click OK. Now we will create another sketch in this plane. Sketch, bottom. See this point? That's our center. Grab a circle. Give it a dimension of 0.25 inches. Awesome. Click OK. And sweep the sketch on this path. Awesome. Click OK. We got ourselves the O-ring. Or actually, let's make this a bit bigger, 0.5. Right? You want to be supported if you will attach something to this. Now, click on this plane and create a sketch. What you will do, you will create another rectangle. And you will use this symmetric tool to make it symmetric across the y-axis and an x-axis. Next, you will need to set the dimension to be 1 inch. 1 inch by 4 inches. Awesome. Click OK. Sketch. Extrude. 0.25. A good base plate. Now, on this plane, we'll create a sketch and we will put a circle on the x-axis. 0.25. Great. Now, what's left is to set the dimensions from this point to this point at 0.5. Or actually 0.4. Great. Now what you need to do, you need to make this circle to be symmetric across the y-axis. Awesome. Click OK. Select this. Extrude. Remove. OK. Awesome. We got the plate. Now, let's round up those edges. So click on Fillet and select them. Now, let's add some. 0.3. Looks good. Click OK. Now we will use the chamfer tool at 2 millimeters. Great. As well as we will use the chamfer tool, or to be more exact, the fillet tool right here at 0.2 or most likely 0.1, and we will double select it. Great. Click OK. Now let's use the chamfer tool again, but on this side. Awesome. Here we go. You have created your half O-ring piece that you can attach to something and put the rope or something through it, or a block. Alright, thank you and have a great day.